Assalamualaikum and hi to our viewers. My name is Sarina binti Samsuddin and I will be leading our group presentation which include Nurjana, Nurwajiha, Nazira, Nurlia and Suzy. Our group will be presenting on how to handle the XYZ Corporation management change as it transitions from traditional in-office work into a remote work from home due to the global pandemic COVID-19. We will use Lewin change model to help with the transitions. And first of all, we have to start with the identifying the forces that are driving and restraining these decisions. And the rest is how to properly execute, unfreeze, change, and refreeze. So.
Greetings, I'm Irene Dusi, and I'm going to talk regarding factors that encourage XYZ Corporation transition into a remote work system. First of all, there is health and safety concerns, in which the global pandemic has made remote work essential for protecting employees' health and complying with public health guidelines published by World Health Organizations. Moving on to business continuity, we also need to know that remote work ensures that operations can continue without interruption like government imposed lockdown. Other than that, there is also technology availability, including modern tools like video conferencing, collaboration platforms, and cloud storage make remote work feasible. Not to mention, remote work is very cost savings. Remote work reduces overhead costs like office space, utilities, and on-site resources. Other than that, there is also competitive pressure from other companies in the industry as they are starting to adopt a remote work, setting a standard XYZ Corporation must meet in order to retain talents and clients. Lastly, employee preferences, in which some employee may prefer the flexibility and work-life balance that remote work offers.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurwajiha binti Masdin and I want to talk about challenges for returning first. So, returning first is for remote work include resistance to change as employers struggle to adapt to new workforce. A lack of technical skills in using modern tools and challenges in transitioning from an in-office culture. Additionally, communications issues may arise, leading to misunderstanding and reduced collaboration, while managers often worry about decreased productivity and limited oversight. Thank you.
Several steps for unfreezing, changing, and refreezing using Kurt Lewin's change model. Firstly is unfreezing. We're preparing for change using communicate the need for change. For example, like share data and example showing why remote work is essential for health, safety, and business continuity. And then secondly, we use engage stakeholder by involve managers, team leaders, and employees in planning discussion to address concern early. And thirdly, we use provide training by offer workshop on remote work tools, time management, and cybersecurity practice. And lastly, by create a sense of urgency, we highlight the risk of not transitioning, for example, like losing business or
Second step of Kurt Lewin model is change. In this stage, the organization actively implementing the transition to remote work by introducing new practice and tools. First step, pilot the program. Start with a small group or department to test remote work process and identify challenges. Second step, adopt new technology. Deploy platform for communication, project management, and collaboration such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Asana. Third step, redefine workflows. Adopt process to switch remote work, focus on outcomes rather than time spent. Fourth step, encourage flexibility. Allow teams to customize their schedules within guidelines to maintain productivity and morale. The last step is provide support, which is set up IT help table and mental health resource to assist employees during the transition.
Hi, I'm Suzy Lewin. Now I want to present about refreezing solidify the change. Number one is firstly is about reforms on your growth. Simply said, makes set a clear new roles a goal for the remote worker. For example, introduce a policy that requires a day checks-ins and defines a success specific performance metric. Secondly, is about celebrate success. For this one, they can reduce achievements in a remote worker. For example, boss can send employee of a month gift present to appointing wells a remote worker and share their story in the team's meeting. The third is about specific feedback. In this point is about ask for the appointment, ask opinion and suggestion from the worker. For example, they can use quiz online surveys to learn about employees, start to in the work, makes a struggle with a remote work to tools identifies. 4 is about maintenance communication to the worker. In this points is about keep everyone information and connected boss and employees. For example, host a virtual coffee chat to discuss update and build team spirit. Finally, it's about